Deep in the heart of the rainforests of Central West Africa, a world teeming with life and ancient secrets, the Bwiti people of Gabon have, for centuries, deeply revered the root bark of a remarkable plant known as Tabernanthe iboga. This root holds a central place in their spiritual and cultural practices. Used in sacred ceremonies as a bridge to the spiritual realm, Iboga is not taken lightly. It is not for recreation or casual use, but for profound spiritual healing, self-discovery, and confronting deeply held personal truths. It's a journey inward, guided by tradition. This ancient tradition, shrouded in mystery for so long, has now captured the intense attention of modern addiction science and researchers around the globe. Back in the 1960s, Howard Lotsof, a heroin addict battling his own demons, cautiously tried Ibogaine plant's active compound, extracted and prepared it without expecting much relief or any significant change. To his utter shock and disbelief, he awoke the next day with absolutely no cravings and, remarkably, no withdrawal symptoms whatsoever, a truly unexpected outcome. Lotsof's transformative experience ignited a spark, setting off a movement, inspiring dedicated researchers and courageous former addicts to delve deeper and explore Ibogaine's therapeutic potential. Unlike conventional treatments and pharmaceutical approaches, Ibogaine uniquely seemed to reset both the brain's physical dependence on addictive substances and address the often deeply buried psychological roots that fuel the cycle of addiction. As the devastating opioid crisis continues to grow, claiming countless lives, Ibogaine's compelling story serves as a potent reminder that ancient wisdom and traditional practices may hold crucial answers and therapeutic pathways that modern medicine, in its current form, has inadvertently missed. The paramount challenge now is to rigorously explore this therapeutic potential safely, adhering to strict medical protocols, ethically, with full transparency, and ultimately to determine its true effectiveness in a responsible manner. Can this unassuming African root, with its rich history, truly offer a beacon of hope to the millions of individuals struggling with the grip of addiction? The scientific journey to definitively answer this profound question has only just begun, and the path forward is filled with both promise and uncertainty. Ibogaine is a naturally occurring psychoactive compound, a fascinating molecule with a complex structure. It's primarily found in the Tabernanthe iboga plant, a shrub native to West Central Africa, where it has been used for centuries in traditional ceremonies. When ingested, Ibogaine undergoes a transformation, metabolized into noribogaine, its primary active metabolite. Noribogaine is special because it lingers in the body for an extended period, sometimes weeks, which can significantly help prevent relapse by stabilizing brain function. Ibogaine's effects are unicate, interacts with opioid dopamine, serotonin, and NMDA receptors, orchestrating widespread changes across the brain, influencing multiple neurotransmitter systems simultaneously. This broad action helps alleviate the often severe symptoms of withdrawal, reset, reward pathways, which are often hijacked by addictive substances, and restore balance to brain chemistry, promoting a sense of well-being and stability. Unlike methadone or buprenorphine, which replace one opioid with another, essentially managing the addiction rather than resolving it, Ibogaine interrupts addiction at its core, targeting the underlying neurological mechanisms. It doesn't substitute the drug. It offers a neurological reset, a chance for the brain to rewire itself For many, this means a true, clean slate, a rare chance to break free from addiction's grip and begin anew. Ibogaine's promise lies in its ability to address both the physical and psychological roots of dependency, offering a more holistic approach. That's what sets it apart from anything else in addiction medicine, its comprehensive impact on the brain and body. Ibogaine's most dramatic effect, and perhaps its most well-known benefit, is its remarkable ability to eliminate opioid withdrawal symptoms. This is a critical first step in breaking free from addiction, often overnight, providing rapid relief during a very difficult time. By acting directly on opioid receptors, Ibogaine effectively relieves withdrawal symptoms without creating a new dependency or substituting one addiction for another. Beyond withdrawal, Ibogaine also works to reset the brain's reward system, which is often severely disrupted by addiction. This helps in disrupting the cycle of intense cravings and compulsive drug-seeking behaviors that drive addiction. Noribogaine, which is its long-acting metabolite, plays a crucial role in this process. It helps restore healthy dopamine function, which is essential for experiencing pleasure and motivation. This restoration makes normal, everyday life pleasurable and rewarding again, reducing the urge to seek artificial highs. Emerging research even suggests that Ibogaine may promote neurogenesis, the growth of new brain cells. This could be instrumental in helping repair some of the brain damage that results from chronic drug use. Following treatment, many individuals report experiencing a period of heightened mood, increased self-awareness, and mental clarity. This provides a crucial window of opportunity for building new, healthier habits and coping mechanisms. With the burden of withdrawal and cravings significantly lifted, people are finally able to fully engage in therapy, counseling, and other essential aspects of the recovery process. The true power of Ibogaine lies in this unique and multifaceted combination of effects: physical relief from the agonizing symptoms of withdrawal, profound psychological insight into the root causes of addiction, and a genuine chance to begin the process of healing, both physically and emotionally. It offers a rare opportunity to transform what can be a single, intense experience into lasting, positive change and a new beginning. Ibogaine induces a powerful, introspective psychedelic journey, far from recreational. It's often described as a life review. People witness their past choices and traumas with new clarity, often without the usual guilt or shame. This process can help integrate and resolve deep-seated pain, a root cause of addiction for many. The experience unfolds in two phases: vivid visions, then hours of quiet reflection. During this time, people connect the dots between their past and present, forging new perspectives. Ibogaine's psychological impact sets it apart. It forces a confrontation with the why behind addiction. For many, it's the first time they see a path forward, not just a reason to stop using. The journey offers not just relief, but a vision for a new life. Ibogaine is not without serious risks, especially to the heart. It can dangerously disrupt heart rhythms, making thorough medical screening and cardiac monitoring essential. Liver health is also critical. Impaired function can lead to toxic buildup. Ibogaine interacts with many medications and substances, so full disclosure and screening are vital. The intense psychological experience can be destabilizing, especially for those with certain mental health conditions. Most Ibogaine-related deaths occur in unsafe, unregulated settings. With proper medical oversight, risks can be minimized, but safety must always come first. Ibogaine's legal status varies worldwide. In the US and much of Europe, It's illegal and classified as a Schedule 1 substance, blocking research and treatment. This has fueled a medical tourism industry, with people traveling to countries like Mexico, New Zealand, and Brazil for treatment. Some clinics operate in legal gray areas, while others, like in New Zealand, offer regulated medical care. The lack of global standards means quality and safety can vary widely. Patients must research clinics carefully, prioritizing medical expertise and safety protocols. Advocates hope that as research grows, more countries will allow safe, legal access to Ibogaine therapy. The most compelling evidence for Ibogaine comes from those who've experienced it. Veterans, long-term addicts, and others describe waking up after treatment with no cravings and a new outlook on life. These stories are echoed by many, but science is catching up. Observational studies show significant reductions in withdrawal and cravings, with some patients remaining drug-free for months or even years. One study found 40% of opioid-dependent participants were still abstinent a year after treatment, a remarkable figure for a single intervention. However, most studies are small and lack rigorous controls. Large-scale clinical trials are needed to confirm Ibogaine's safety and effectiveness. Personal stories provide hope. Science must provide proof. Both are essential to understanding Ibogaine's true potential. The journey from anecdote to evidence is underway. Ibogaine is not a magic bullet. It's a catalyst, not a cure. The real work begins after treatment, during a window of clarity and reduced cravings. Lasting recovery requires therapy, support groups, and new habits. Good aftercare includes counseling, community, and sometimes sober living environments. Without integration, old patterns can return. Recovery is about building a meaningful life, not just avoiding drugs. Ibogaine opens the door, but it's up to the individual and their support system to walk through it. Today, Ibogaine stands at a crossroads, ancient wisdom meeting modern science. It's a powerful addiction interrupter, but not without risks. Safety, medical oversight, and rigorous research are non-negotiable. We need large-scale trials and policy changes to unlock its full potential. Ibogaine is not a miracle cure, but a tool of chance for those failed by other treatments. Used responsibly, it could offer hope to millions. The challenge is to wield it wisely, ethically, and safely. The promise of Ibogaine is real, but only if we respect both its power and its dangers.